Yo, what up? This Walker Street. I appreciate you clicking on my video. Make sure you subscribe, like the video while you're here. Hey, we're gonna do a review of some Loewe sneakers I picked up. I did another review of the black boots. That was my first pair of Loewe boots, and since then I found another pair for a deal. It was some aftermarket boots. They ain't really got no current models that I'm looking at, so I've been checking out, you know, the aftermarket, and I found these aftermarket sneakers I want to show. They ain't picture perfect, but I'm still excited about wearing them. These probably the most comfortable. You know, let's get right into it. This time I got the whole box down. Loewe box, and I like everything about, you know, this brand. Pretty much, they got like a little nice showcase. Hold on, I don't even know how to open the box. All right, here we go. Oh, shoot. Hey, I have to break this thing. Alright, hold on. Yeah, let me put this down. Got the boots right here. There's sneakers right here. They got these nice bags with the emblems on both sides here. The emblem right there. Too. Oh, they got the Loewe bag too. Okay, I see. Here we go. They're comfortable. They're durable. And these right here is the new pair. Look at these some clean shoes. These some clean shoes. Now these is probably more like, you know, regular sneakers. You know what I mean? Regular sneakers. They kind of got, you know, Adidas feel with the side like that, but it's all leather, all calf soft, suede leather. Another comfortable shoe. I already tried them on. They're comfortable. You see they dirty. These some aftermarket shoes, but hey, I had to get some more of these. And I found them. So I'm gonna clean these up, and I'm gonna rock these shoes, man. This is another pair for me right here. It's probably another personal collection. I don't know if I'm gonna resell these or what, but getting, you know, now that I'm onto this brand and I see what they, you know, what kind of quality they offer, I'm getting more and more of it. Sometimes I be passing up on deals that I be seeing, but you know, it's all about style and preference. You know what I mean? And I'm telling you, man, this a comfortable brand. You probably gotta just go try one on. You feel me? And see for yourself. I got a deal for these, and I clean them up. I'm gonna have to clean them up. I want to do a quick video. I tried them on. These probably the most comfortable brand I stumbled across as far as designer goes. You know what I mean? I guess the main thing about these boots is the color. They're universal. I really wanted to add some more Loewe boots to my collection, or sneakers to my collection, and this is something I stumbled across, and I was like, yo, I gotta get some more of these, do some more reviews. But I'm really trying to get, you know what I mean, the new wave, all this new stuff coming in. A lot of the stuff that I'm seeing from them, they got a lot of style, man. A lot of style. So y'all go check that out. And I'm not even gonna get into these, like I said, because I'm really kind of in love with this brand right now. Because these, like the bottoms, the soles, the fit of the shoe, is pretty much the best I've been experiencing. You know? I mean, I got plenty Nikes, Vapor Max, you know, to Jordans, to whatever, to some Off-Whites, whatever you want to talk about, you know what I mean? And right now, as far as designer goes, as far as my designer shoes, you know what I mean? This Loewe brand, yeah, they coming with it. They is coming with it, and they got some very comfortable shoes that I'm definitely gonna be rocking this summer. Yo, appreciate you watching my video. Hey, this is a quick video. Yeah, it's a new cop. Yeah, I ain't gonna get too into it. Yeah, you can see the time. Hold on. Yeah, these were made in Italy too. Yeah, I got a little colors, a little dirty on there too, man. Hey, bro, didn't clean that. He ain't clean none of it. So yeah, these some decent shoes, man. I just gotta clean them up. So let me clean these shoes up, man. Y'all get back to your day. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you share. Hey, it's Walker Street. Like I said, hey, I'm gonna show y'all how we stepping. Hey, go back and watch the rest of the videos. We gonna show you how you step. It's like, man, how many can I review? But some of these designers, that's why I'm reviewing these designers, because a lot of y'all go out and buy this stuff and it be uncomfortable. Like I know for a fact I buy a lot of shit and that shit don't fit right. You know what I mean? You gotta take it back or get rid of it. And a lot of times you stuck with a lot of this designer you be buying because it ain't worth it. You know what I mean? Shit, if you can get a shoe for $100, get a shoe for $100. But if you can get a shoe that you like for $1,000, man, it don't matter. You know what I mean? Because that's on preference. You know what I mean? When you stepping out on this, they gonna see it. You know what I mean? It ain't about who gonna see it, but you gonna know it and you gonna feel it. So walk it straight. Hey, make sure y'all like it. Share. Appreciate you.